This tutorial review will show you how to hide WhatsApp status from some selected contacts. Open your WhatsApp and tap on settings at the bottom right. If you want to add status to your WhatsApp and you want to hide the status from specific users, this feature will help you to do it easily. You can hide people to see your status, then you can add private status to your WhatsApp. To do that, tap on privacy, tap on status, tap on my contacts, accept, and now all you have to need, just select those contacts you want to hide your status from. Tap on done at the top right. And that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.